Hindi na nakuha yung dapat ang ayaw ng bigay at hindi na kasulti sa mga tao ay ang aking pagtrabaho. Ang aking karni magsusubo o ang aking naman ay ayaw ng bigay sa mga tao.
Together with their parents, let's ladies and gentlemen, so muli, palakpakan naman dyan yung may kasamang yehey. Mami, so balik muna ako sa'yo. So mami, ano ba ang sing! Happy birthday to you! Come on! Happy birthday to you! Louder! Happy birthday! One more time! Happy to you! Okay, may palakpak naman. Dili! 1, 2, and 3! Happy birthday to you! Come on, guys! Happy birthday to you! Louder! Happy! And happy! And happy! Alright, so one more time! Happy birthday to you! Come on! Happy birthday to you! Louder! Happy! And happy! And happy! Alright, so Kuya Charlie, get ready, and at the count of 3, so please listen to me, Charlie. And at the count of 3, get ready, blow. 1, close your eyes. 2, make a wish. And 3, get ready, blow. Palakpakan naman natin si Charlie. So Charlie, so syempre hindi magiging perfect ang ating celebration ito kung di natin pasasalamatan sa Epic Clowns Organization Official. Epic Clowns Organization Official. At syempre ang mga affordable na venue katulad ito. Walang palakpakan. Isang palakpakan naman. Sugar Rush. Or, tama ba? Ayan, Darinitas Sugar Rush. Thank you!